Hi there, folks. So we already talked about surveys and samples and that kind of stuff, but for some reason I missed two of the sampling methods. So we're going to go over those real quickly before you do your review here. So here's the ones that we already did. The random sample was when everybody has an equal chance. Stratified random is when we break them into groups and then everybody has, from each group, has an equal chance. We talked about systematic, where we kind of use a system to do that thing. But here's the two we missed. So a convenience sample is basically only members of a population who are accessible are selected. This is basically where we take kind of the easy route, and this is not always the best way to go. All right, but if I was trying to get a bead on like the population at York Suburban, would be if I only surveyed my classes. Okay, and that would be convenience, because instead of branching out and trying to get other populations within York Suburban, I would only sample my classes because that's easiest for me. Or maybe something like, a coach wants to ask student athletes about something, but they only survey people from their team. Okay, that would be a convenience sample because they're only going to those folks that are easily accessible to them. All right, and then a self-selected sample. This is when members of the population select themselves by volunteering. So anytime they're volunteering, so if somebody emails every student at York Suburban with a link to a survey and says, "Hey, please fill this out. It's optional." All right, that's self-selected because only those who choose to fill out the survey will be part of the sample. All right, so convenience sample is when we just take a route that's easiest because we're coming into contact with those folks anyway. The self-selected sample is when it's based on volunteering to take the sample. All right.